Once we realized we were going to purchase it for ourselves and that this was going to be hopefully our forever home, we really knew right away that we wanted to partner with Matt, because to me, this was a restoration, not a renovation, and there's a huge difference for that. Matt was a real partner through that time period. For us, it was absolutely a no-brainer, because I knew that he would respect what it was. I know he would come up with ideas for that. What I loved most about Matt was that Matt thought through what I wanted before I even knew I wanted it. So he really got to know what he thought would be important to us, and he asked some really key questions to kind of make this house our own. Matt's team is great, and they did a wonderful job with their attention to detail, because it's one thing to say Matt has attention to detail, it's another thing when you really talk about his subcontractors having that same attention to detail. It turned out great, and we couldn't have been happier with the whole process.